Sadie, can you change the bear's diaper? Let's see you change the bear's diaper. Where's the bear? He's got a dirty diaper. Can you change it? Let's see right there. Very good. You're a good mommy. Can you do it again?
Yeah.